Bottom line you have to know is the insurance company's not on your side. They will never be on your side, and they will work actively against you from day one. Whatever they say, don't believe it. I know this because I've seen this on an almost daily basis for almost 20 years. Vuk and I started VB Attorneys. We had both been at big law firms for a couple of years. We were representing big insurance companies, Fortune 500 companies, and I think it was a real advantage for us, having seen how these defendants, these big companies, defend lawsuits. We know how they defend lawsuits because we used to do it.
The firm's been built on ethics, hard work, compassion, which we need to help our clients on a day-to-day basis. We're small enough to give personalized attention to every single client in our office, but being a mid-sized firm allows us also to dedicate the resources necessary to properly work the cases up. There's a lot of collaboration that goes on in our office between the lawyers, between our paralegals, between investigators, and so the clients get the best of both worlds and benefit from that.
On April 15th, 2014, Nick was involved in a motor vehicle accident on the way to work and became severely injured. It was a horrific injury. He almost died. Medical insurance will only go so far. And with traumatic brain injury in particular, everything they call it, everything experimental or exploratory, and no, we won't cover this, and no, we won't cover that. Once we met with Vuk and Brian, and they reassured us that they would help us to try to make our financial needs met for Nick so that he could get better, as he deserves to get better. It just took this load off my shoulder, and it's like, okay, now I can just concentrate on what do I need to do to help Nick get better. They just got after it. I thought to myself more than once that I am so glad that Vuk's on our side and Brian's on our side, you know, and we're not on the other end of the table.
Not only were they good at what they did, as they got to know us and Nick, it seemed like it was just as personal to them as it was us.
We decided that we wanted to provide real human beings with better representation than the biggest companies in the world. And now we can use that knowledge to our clients' advantage. You need somebody on your side. If you want an entire team dedicated to winning your case, hire VB Attorneys.